This one gets asked more than you'd think, especially by people who spend way too much time tricking out my career highlights like it's an ESPN mixtape. Changing the camera angle in 2K25's theater mode is simple, until it isn't. So here's the deal. Unlike my career games or Rec, where you've got a buffet of camera options, theater mode comes locked into one of a few preset views depending on the event type. And yeah, that's designed, not a bug. The theater events rotate weekly, and each one has its own set presentation. Sometimes it's 2K cam, sometimes it's broadcast low, and sometimes it's that god-awful rail cam like you're filming from someone's GoPro in the nosebleed seats. Now here's the pain point. People go digging into settings mid-game, pause menu, controller toggles, only to hit the same wall. You can't change the camera angle during actual theater gameplay. It's hard-coded. Trust me, I've rage-scrolled every inch of that menu. What you can do, at least partially, is adjust your playback camera when watching the game back in Theater Highlights or in your Recents tab. This gives you flexibility after the fact, especially for content creation or just analyzing your game. Step by step, go to 2K TV's Extras on the main menu, jump into Recents, pick a theater game, press X to view the replay. Once the replay loads up, press back select to bring up camera options like broadcast, 2K, swivel high, etc. This part is actually satisfying. You can rotate around your player, zoom in and out, and even switch between different players. If you're trying to make TikToks or YouTube shorts, this mechanic's your friend. You can re-edit your angle frame by frame. Now, pro tip, always save your best theater games. Use the save replay option right after finishing a match. Because if you wait too long, 2K wipes those games off your recents list like they never happened, just vaporized into the NBA void. Let's be honest, though. What people really want is customizable camera mid-game, because not everyone wants to play in broadcast view like it's 2003 and we're watching Carmelo drop 30 in an HD cable box. But theater keeps it default for parity. I get it, 2K says they want it to feel immersive, but it's like they forgot we all have preferences. It's not 2K14 anymore, guys. Let the people change their camera angle so we don't have to feel like we're controlling ants with a sniper scope. There's one workaround, but it's clunky. Plug in a second controller, sign in a guest account, and start a quick play game. Play with camera settings there, then exit and jump into theater immediately. Sometimes the camera preferences carry over for the session. That only works about 30% of the time and resets after a game. So, yeah, it's duct tape over the issue. But still, it's a fusion of trial, error, and maybe a bit of superstition, like wearing the same hoodie until your team wins. Until 2K listens, that's the playbook. Save your replays, edit your highlights after the fact, or go all in and email 2K support with your camera angle dreams. Might not work, but hey, it's more productive than yelling at the screen again.